Hey, do you want a quick and meaningful Easter activity for the kids this weekend? Well, the church's YouTube channel, the Gospel for Kids channel, just released my Resurrection rock art activity. And it's super easy, it's super fast. I think it's a 7-minute video, and we're making the empty tomb with rocks and sticks and stuff you find in nature. So I'll give you the link below. I just wanted everybody to know it was there because they don't have that many subscribers really, considering who's posting all this. So I hope you'll go to Gospel for Kids on YouTube. You'll subscribe so you'll be alerted to each of the videos that are coming out each week that go along with Come Follow Me. And they're just little art projects that are kind of fun. So I hope you do, and I hope you'll let me know what you think of those. They have it marked for kids, so you can't comment on the video, but you can comment to me on Facebook or YouTube or wherever. I'd love to hear what you're thinking about those or what I could do to make them even better. And Molio Rios Lazo with MTC for Kids created a lap book with me on doing the resurrection tomb. So if you love the activity and you want to blow it out to be even more meaningful with some doctrine and scriptures and more things that the kids can do, you know, cutting out their own printable to make their own lap book, well, I'll put the link to that as well, and you can grab those as well. But you don't need any of that. You can just go to Gospel for Kids and see the tutorial on that and just do it with kids. And I hope you do. Okay, bye.